Hi friends, this is the activity video that goes along with the book, Who's Been Eating My Porridge? We just read the beginning of the story, and now we're going to make a prediction, a guess about how the story would end. For this activity, you'll need a piece of paper, something to write with, and something to color with if you have it at home. First thing that we're going to do is write our name at the top of our paper. Then we'll leave a nice space for a picture, and today for our writing we're going to be using a sentence frame. Now there's two ways you can do this writing. One is a little bit easier if you need some more help, and one is a little bit challenging. So I'll tell you both of the choices. Everyone's going to start with the same sentence frame, and you're going to write, I, popcorn word, think that, popcorn word. This is where we're going to leave a pretty good sized blank space, enough to write a name of a character. I think that blank is popcorn word, the popcorn word. Porridge, I'm going to borrow from the beginning, the title of the story, the cover of the book. Porridge. Monster, So the first choice for your writing today, if you need a little bit more help, you can use this sentence frame. I think that blank is the porridge monster. If you're using this choice, just put a period at the end of your sentence. If you want a little more of a challenge, this is your second choice. For the challenge, now we're going to add your longest popcorn word, because, B-A-C-A-U-S-E. And after because, if you're doing the challenge today, we want to leave a pretty big line for you to write a reason. So your sentence frame today will say, I think that blank is the porridge monster. And if you choose to do the challenge, you'll add the word because, and you'll have a second blank. So I want you to think about the story. What character, what fairy tale character do you think is the porridge monster? Think about some of those clues that we saw in the story, and think about some of the characters that were in the book. And you might have noticed some of the characters from those stories were not in the book. So those would be good choices for making a prediction today. In the first blank is where you're going to write the name of the character that you think is the porridge monster. And then if you use the word because, the second blank is where you're going to be writing the reason that you picked that character. Last, you have lots of space to draw that character that you chose as a porridge monster. So you can use your imagination to think about what that character might look like as a porridge monster, which can be really fun. If you would like to share your predictions with the teachers, we would love to see what you come up with. And after you're done with this activity, go back and watch the end of the story to see if your prediction was right or not.